Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so nothing blocks Play Store. Check your network and make sure your Google account is signed in and syncing. Once done, free at least 500 megabytes of space and correct the system date and time. Mismatched time breaks authentication. Next, open Settings, search for Google Play Services and ensure it's enabled. If it's disabled, enable it and reboot the device. These first steps remove most common barriers and get you ready for deeper fixes. You'll now repair the app links and cached credentials. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, then force stop Play Store, Play Services, and Google Services Framework. After stopping, tap Storage and clear cache, then clear storage or data. This removes corrupted tokens. Once that's done, reboot the phone to reinitialize services. If Play Services won't update automatically, sideload the matching APK for your Android version and ABI. Make sure you grant all required permissions, so finish by re-establishing account credentials and testing installs. Sign out of your Google account and sign back in, or remove and re-add the account to refresh tokens. Then open Play Store and try to download a small app. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If you want a quicker check, try another Wi-Fi or mobile network and confirm your Google account isn't suspended. That single troubleshooting tip, try a different network, often isolates connectivity versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.